When shopping for a new shower door, you must find one that not only matches your bathroom design, but fits your shower space as well. This video will walk you through the pre-installation requirements needed to effectively evaluate and prepare your shower space and to help you select a compatible DreamLine shower door. By doing so, this will help alleviate the unnecessary hassles of a return. First things first, what do your walls look like? Can you see the studs? Or do you have tile or other materials already installed on your walls? If you can see the studs, you currently have an unfinished or rough opening. You must finish your walls before you select a shower door. Please note, any materials used on your walls, such as backer board, tile, or acrylic walls, will decrease the size of the rough opening. The space remaining is your finished opening. You should measure your shower space at this time and write down your measurements. It is imperative to only use finished opening measurements when choosing a DreamLine shower door. If installing onto a fiberglass enclosure, please ensure the bottom corners of the shower opening where the walls meet the threshold are not curved or rounded. Next, you need to know if your walls are even or plumb and if your threshold is level. Use at least a 4-foot level. Place the level against each wall and threshold as shown. And be sure to trust the bubble for accurate results. If the bubble indicates both walls are perfectly vertical, your walls are plumb. And if your threshold is also shown as level, then congratulations, you have ideal shower space conditions. You can stop here and proceed to select any DreamLine shower door that has your measurements in its size range. However, if one or both walls are not perfectly vertical, you have what is known as out-of-plumb walls. You may have only one wall that is out of plumb. Both walls may be angled in toward the center, outwards, or in the same direction. In any of these situations, you'll need to determine exactly how out of plumb your walls are. Please contact a professional to help calculate your out-of-plumb dimensions properly. Then, based on your confirmed measurements, select a DreamLine shower door that offers the correct amount of adjustment for out-of-plumb. And don't worry, DreamLine offers a multitude of models with out-of-plumb accommodation or adjustment capabilities. Please make sure the shower door you select will fit your finished opening width. DreamLine has a wide selection of models and sizes to fit almost any shower space and complement your bathroom design. And that's it, you're all set. Thank you for choosing DreamLine. We hope you enjoy the ultimate shower door experience.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.